All right, let's cover number 7 here. A truck being driven down the street. Um, Now this one doesn't seem too bad at first. I mean, it kind of just looks like, hey, shouldn't this just be energy stored kinetically? I mean, not really changing. It's not speeding up or slowing down. The problem is this. I don't know if you've ever driven your car after a while. Something certainly changes about the car, right? Um, you were to open up the hood of your car at the beginning of a trip, touch it, not a big deal, right? And then you go drive it for an hour, and then you shove your hand in the motor somewhere. All of a sudden, it gets hot. This thing is getting up the whole time. So, can't just consider energy stored kinetically. Must be energy stored thermally. So here's what we're going to do. So we're just going to go, okay, know this truck is heating up. So I'm just going to draw the truck heating up. So we'll say the truck starts off with just a little bit of energy stored thermally. Then the truck has a little bit more energy stored thermally. And finally, it has a good bit of stored thermally. All right. Do have another problem though. Truck's going the same speed the whole time. It's not speeding up or slowing down. So the amount of energy it has stored kinetically same the entire time. In fact, I'm just going to go ahead and make it half. It has the same amount of energy stored kinetically in all three pictures. And of course, I'm not drawing this particularly. The idea is that this energy stored kinetically not changing. So here's the thing. Know the energy stored thermally is increasing, but the energy stored kinetically is staying constant. That means there has to be some other energy here. There has to be some other energy that our car is using up getting put into the thermal account. Now, let's imagine that this keeps going and going and going. Let's say that here's down here. This is, our truck again. This is after it's driven for a long time. We have all this energy stored thermally. And there's no more energy to convert to thermal. None whatsoever. You know what this is? This is your car, just it's out of gas. This is the energy stored in the gasoline. This is energy stored chemically. And as this car goes down the road, it's converting that energy that was stored chemically into energy stored thermally. Now, if you had a car that had no friction whatsoever, if you had a car that was perfectly frictionless, you wouldn't have to do this. You wouldn't have to use up chemical energy. You just use up chemical energy to get your car moving, and then once it's moving, you just let it coast. But that's not how our cars work. Our cars, uh, our cars don't have, aren't frictioning everything. Our cars aren't frictionless. So we have to continuously use this energy stored chemically, and in the process, the energy stored thermally